Children, now let's move to the next category of hormones, and this is called gastrointestinal hormones, children. Now from the word gastrointestinal hormones, children, you can make it out. Gastros, first of all, they are hormones, and second thing is we are using the word gastrointestinal. So what does gastrointestinal mean, children? Gastrointestinal means that these hormones are produced by the digestive system. That means the inner wall of the digestive system that is producing hormones. And the wall, children, now when you have come to class 11, the wall, inner wall of any organ is called mucosa. So you'll come across these terms when many times, mucosa. So let's see the first hormone. The first hormone, children, is produced by stomach. Now isn't it a very crazy thing that till now we have studied only that the stomach has gastric gland and it produces gastric juice, and that gastric juice has enzymes, okay? But now I am telling you that the stomach has gastrin, that the stomach also produces a hormone, and that hormone is called gastrin. Now if you remember, children, the gastrin, this is produced by G cells of pyloric gland of stomach. Now what happens is, your stomach also has got 4 parts, children. That we will study when I will teach you digestive system. But for the time being, you can understand that the pyloric glands which are present in the stomach, that has got G cells. And that G cells stimulates the gastric glands to produce gastric juice. This means, children, that the gastric glands cannot produce gastric juice on their own. Now just see the physiology. Until and unless the stomach produces gastrin. That is why, children, we say that hormones are the chemical messengers. Why? Because stomach produces gastrin. This gastrin goes to the gastric gland, and then gastric gland produces gastric juice. See, such a big thing and you were not knowing, isn't it? Then come to the next one, duodenum. Now this duodenum is also producing hormones. The first hormone is secretin. Have you heard secretin somewhere? In pancreas. Okay. Now what is the function of secreting? It stimulates secretion and release of sodium bicarbonate from pancreas for pancreatic juice. Okay. Now for that, children, you'll have to understand the physiology of the digestive system. Try to remember, children, we have always studied that bile has got 2 functions. The bile changes the medium from acidic to basic. Bile does not have any enzymes. Why? Because in the stomach, okay, so now see, this is the diagram of a digestive system. Do you remember? This is the esophagus. This goes into the stomach. Children, the pH of stomach is 2 because of the HCl produced by the gastric juice. And when this food moves into the duodenum, the pancreatic juice pours its secretion over it. Pancreas pours its pancreatic juice. And children, pancreatic juice requires a pH of 8 to 9. So this is this only curve. Can you see this small curve? This purple colored curve. This purple colored curve is only, children, 15 centimeters to 25 centimeters. Now this 25 centimeter structure, here on one end of this is pH of 2 and on other hand is 9. Being a chemistry student, you can understand how diverse it is. So this medium has to be changed. And who is changing this medium from acidic to basic? The bile, which is produced by this liver. Now you all are chemistry students, you know how does the bile changes the medium from acidic to basic. Simply you react acid with base, it forms salt and water. So this acid is coming. I want to neutralize the acid which is coming from the stomach. I react it with sodium bicarbonate. This will form sodium chloride and the acidity is destroyed. So liver produces bile. This bile has large amount of sodium bicarbonate, and this sodium bicarbonate is thrown over here in the duodenum to neutralize the acidity. In the same way, children, the pancreas also produces some amount of sodium bicarbonate. Why? Because the acidity is very high, children. Just imagine pH of 1 to 2 is fuming acid. The concentrated acid that you use in the lab, that is not concentrated. Ma'am tells you that this is concentrated, but that is not concentrated. She dilutes and then says it is concentrated. Okay. So what happens is, what is this secretin doing? Secretin stimulates the secretion and release of sodium bicarbonate from pancreas for pancreatic juice. Children, if this sodium bicarbonate is not released from the pancreas, the pancreatic juice cannot work. So such important is this release of sodium bicarbonate, that is released with the help of which hormone? Secretin.